US index, what we can see, has found enough strength to make a breakout outside of this area around 104.20, which is a supply zone. We can see that the price has formed this bullish candle, then bearish candles. It could not make a breakout to the upside, and eventually what we can see it on the Wednesday, the price has gone outside of this, making this strong bearish candle that has reached also this area 102.85, which is a first support level. After that, on a Thursday, the price moved even more down, making a breakout to the downside, also going below 102.05, and then on a Friday we can see that the price would turn back up. So this bearish breakout below this one, 102.85, has been confirmed with this bearish candle, and then bullish one did not return back inside. If we go to the weekly time frame, what we can see it, the price returned back up as it was expected in the previous week analysis, and then going down and forming this bearish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price will continue to fall down. On the monthly time frame, what we can see it is this bearish candle in the previous month that has formed and made a bearish breakout to the downside, and it was expected that this month the price will return back up, confirming this bearish breakout as a valid one, and it will continue to fall down. So everything is happening like it was explained in the previous week analysis. If you did not watch it, go back and see them. And if you like the videos, click the like button and subscribe. But for now, as it looks, what we can see it on the monthly time frame, where we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends, the price is dropping down in value. So for a much more clear information, we need to go to the lower time frames, and this is the weekly and also daily. But very important level on the monthly time frame is this one here, which is 101.64, where we can see it here. So it is very close to 1.1.37, but on the lower time frames we will see much more clearly what are the important levels for the price. For the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is dropping down, and the price has problems around this one, which is 102.12. And if the price breaks below that, below this one on the weekly time frame, which is the next target on the next week, we will see the price dropping down and reaching this one, which is 101.37. If the price dropped down to this price level, we could see the wicks going also to this one, which is 100.88. So for now, everything looks bearish, and also we have this bearish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price will continue to fall down. Now let's go to the daily and see how this looks. I will also zoom out a little bit just to see a bigger picture. What are very important levels. This bearish breakout has been validated with this bullish candle, currently not going back up, so I am expecting for the price to continue to fall down, except the price goes again above and closing above 103 price level. If that happens, this bearish momentum has been cancelled, and it will go inside this institutional range area, which we have seen in the last 2 weeks. We can see the price is bouncing between these two price levels. Now if the price goes down even more and closes below 102.00, the next target will be below that, which is 101.37. You can see here, this is the next support level. So we can see that very important level is this lower side of this demand zone, which is currently acting as a support. And if the price goes down below this one, the next target is this one here, where we can see it just here. So I'm expecting still that the price will drop down in value. Everything suggesting that this is currently a bearish momentum acting, where we have seen that on the monthly, weekly and also daily time frame we have a bearish signal suggesting that the price will drop down. That is enough for me to give me more ideas, and also I will share what is the entry level, what is the stop loss and the take profit inside trading community, so you can also check how to trade this one for the next week. The link for this trading community will be below this video inside the description. Check it and see you inside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.